No distractions, just clear instructions. In the first step, open settings. Next, go to accessibility. After that, select touch. In the next step, open settings. Later, navigate to control center. After that, choose customize controls. In the next steps, hold the top button and volume up button together. Next, let go of both buttons quickly. Then wait for the screenshot preview to show up. In the next step, tap the preview of the screenshot. After that, use the markup tools if required. Then hit done to keep or remove. In the next step, tap on the Photos app. Next, access the Screenshots album. After that, check, modify or send your screenshot. You are good to go.